Falling is one of the leading factors in decreasing the independence and wellness of the elderly. Millions suffer from fall-induced hip fractures every year. Most don't recover. One company is trying to change that for good. Hip Hope Technologies has developed a device that users can wear as a belt. It can detect a fall as it's happening and triggers two large airbags to inflate, protecting the user hips from impact. Joining us in studio today is the company's CEO, founder, and inventor, Amatsia Ranan. Thank you so much for being here. First of all, what a wonderful initiative. How did you come up with it?
The trigger behind this initiative was two hip fractures experienced by my late mother. Through her suffering, I became aware of the huge scale of this epidemic and the fatal consequences of specifically hip fractures.
Yeah.
So that brought up some technological ideas to solve this matter and protect people from injuries while falling.
And it's wonderful. And you brought in this device. Can we just see a bit what it looks like and just explain how it works? Because I explained it in very basic terms.
Yes. You put it around the waist. It incorporates a most sophisticated set of sensors that knows exactly the relative position of the pelvis relative to the ground surface all the time. And once an impending collision with ground surface is happening, it inflates two large-sized airbags that protect the person before hitting the ground. Okay. At the same time, it automatically sends notifications, alerts to predefined destinations of contact
so they're
people,
aware that there
so
was a
they
fall.
can be aware. And another most important feature of this device is that it is also built to remotely monitor the motion and activity level of the person. It's, as a matter of fact, it's a kind of an IoT device, and the data, the motion data, or some specific events that may indicate high risk of falling and fracturing may be uploaded directly to the cloud, and those who need to be notified get these alerts.
And it gives caregivers and children of the elderly real peace of mind, I can imagine. And it must be mentioned that this is the first device of its kind. Until now, there have been devices, but they're very cumbersome. And just explain how this specific device is revolutionary.
First of all, the fall detection idea, the fall detection system is proprietary since it incorporates two types of sensors. Distance sensors. Here I have 3 laser sensors that constantly measure the distance between the pelvis and the ground surface, and inertial sensors such as accelerometers, gyros, that know the spatial position of the pelvis. The combination of data received from both kinds of sensors give us unique ability to reliably identify fall. This was the major problem because of which there is no such system in the market yet. And another most important feature is that we have a unique inflation mechanism, which is electromechanical, purely electromechanical, not like in the automotive industry. It doesn't is not associated with any kind of explosion or chemical reaction. And it instantly deploys the airbags.
Well, thank you so much for coming in and telling us about it. And we understand it launches next week. So best of luck with that.
Okay, thank you very much.